In this video, I'll show you how to use an eBay gift card. Firstly, go to ebay.com and create an account if you don't already have one. Sign into your account with your credentials. Now, use the search bar at the top of the page to look for the items you want to purchase. Browse through the results, and when you find the items you want, click Add to Cart. Once you have added all the desired items to your cart, click on the Go to Checkout button and start the checkout process. In the payment section, look for the field labeled gift cards, coupons, eBay bucks. Enter your 13-digit eBay gift card code into the designated field and click on Apply button to apply the gift card balance to your purchase. Once the gift card has been applied, click on the Confirm and Pay button to complete your purchase. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.